Today we will cook stir-fried garlic skip peas and pork. This is a classic Chinese home-style dish. It's a 1 out of 5 for difficulty. Hi, I'm Jin Kai from China. My dad and I made this channel hoping you like us.
이게 한 살.